This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Julian Editor and loading the project folder you will use for the main menu. Once done, create a UI scene file and set the canvas resolution to 16:9 for consistency. Make sure to enable the UI toolkit or plugin you plan to use so components render correctly. Now add a basic panel and anchor it to the top left or center. This provides the container for buttons. Doing this early prevents layout rework later and keeps your hierarchy tidy. Next, design the visual layout and the interactive logic for the main menu. You add play, options, and exit buttons and name them consistently so you can reference them in code. Then create a menu controller script in Julian Editor that contains methods like start game, open options, and quit. Once you have those methods, bind each button's on click to the appropriate function and configure navigation order for keyboard or controller input. This separation keeps UI design independent from behavior. To finish, run the menu inside Julian Editor and perform a full build test to confirm transitions, audio cues, and input focus work as expected. Make sure anchors and scaling behave across resolutions, and debounce inputs to avoid double invocation. If something goes wrong, check the console for null reference or binding errors, then validate button or function links and that the menu controller is attached to the correct game object. Once fixed, iterate briefly on visuals and accessibility, and you're ready to ship the menu.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.